Nancy Fetzer's Sentence Building, Lesson 15, Learning about Articles. For this lesson, you will need the articles Don't Talk Like a Caveman worksheet, the Caveman chart, a pencil, a blue crayon, and a yellow crayon.
We are ready to begin. Today is our 7th grammar lesson. In this lesson, we will learn about articles. What are articles? Articles are the words an, a, the. Articles are special types of adjectives because they describe nouns, but only with the words an, a, the. Why do we use articles? We use articles to describe nouns, living things, places, and things, so our sentences don't sound like caveman talk. Our caveman has the articles an, a, the on his clothing to remind us that he doesn't use these words when he speaks. Listen to my sentence about an egg. The caveman wants an egg for a snack. Now, listen to the caveman say the sentence.
Caveman wants egg for snack.
The caveman never uses the articles an, a, the to describe the nouns in his sentences. That's why he talks like a caveman. Let's go back and read my sentence about the caveman again. The caveman wants an egg for a snack. In this sentence, the nouns are caveman, egg, and snack. I use the articles the, an, a to describe the nouns in this sentence. The caveman, an egg, a snack. Articles are special types of adjectives that describe the nouns. Oh no! Here comes the caveman. He's going to cross out the articles in my sentence. He crossed out the, an, a. Listen to him read the sentence.
Caveman wants egg for snack.
Let's go back and put the articles back in this sentence. The caveman, an egg, a snack. We used articles in our sentence so we don't talk like cavemen. Listen to my sentence with the articles the, an, a, describing the nouns. The caveman wants an egg for a snack. We learned that articles are special types of adjectives because they describe nouns, but only with the words the, an, a. But how do we know which articles to use? An, the have special jobs. When we use the, that means a specific noun, a specific person, place, or thing. In this sentence, the caveman wants an egg for a snack. The is telling us that there is a specific caveman, not any caveman. This sentence is telling only about this caveman by saying the caveman. When we use the words and, that means any person, place, or thing. In this sentence, an egg and a snack, the articles an, are telling us that the caveman wants any egg for any snack, not a specific egg or a specific snack. Wait, if and an mean any noun, any living thing, any place, anything, then why are there two words, and? That's because there's a spelling rule. Say the noun egg. If the noun begins with a vowel, then you use the word an. Egg. The first sound is eh. Eh is a vowel sound, so we need to choose the word n. N, egg. Next, go to the noun snack. Snack begins with a s sound. S is a consonant, so we use the article to describe the noun snack. A snack. Wow! You are becoming experts using articles. Articles are special types of adjectives because they describe nouns, but only with the words n, the. That means we are ready to fix sentences on our Articles Don't Talk Like a Caveman worksheet. Get into writing position. Grab your blue crayon and have your yellow crayon and pencil ready to use. The worksheet shows two different sentences written by the caveman.
Dog ate bone from dish. Monkey munched apple from tree.
Oh no! Caveman wrote these sentences using his caveman talk. We need to fix them. Follow my steps. Step 1. Check the nouns. We need to find and check the nouns because articles describe nouns. Remember, we read sentences backwards, word by word, to find and check the nouns. Dish. Dish is a thing. Dish is a noun. Check it. From. Move on. Bone. Bone is a thing. Bone is a noun. Check it. 8. Move on. Dog. Dog is a living thing. Dog is a noun. Check it. Dog, bone, and dish are the nouns in our sentence. Step 2. Grab your yellow crayon. Draw a caret and a line in front of each noun. Dog. Draw a caret and a line. Bone. Draw a caret and a line. Dish. Draw a caret and a line. Excellent job! Step 3. Grab your pencil. We will go back and write the articles n, or the before our nouns so we don't talk like cavemen in this sentence.
Dog ate bone from dish.
First, I need to decide if this is any dog or a specific dog? This is a specific dog, the dog in this picture. When there's a specific noun, then we use the article the. The dog. Write the on the line. The dog. Excellent. Go to the next noun. Bone. Is this a specific bone or any bone? There's several bones in the picture, and they are all the same. This isn't a special or different or specific bone. The dog can be eating any of these bones, so we will choose N or A. Bone begins with the sound B. B is not a vowel sound, so we use the article a. Write a on the line. A bone. Excellent job. Finally, go to the last noun in this sentence, dish. There is only one dish. This is the dog's specific dish, not any dish. So we will use the word the. Write the on the line. The dish. First, our sentence read like a caveman would talk.
Dog ate bone from dish.
After fixing our sentence by adding articles, we now have the dog ate a bone from the dish. Wow, super work. This is fun. Let's go to the second sentence.
Monkey munched apple from tree.
Follow my steps to add articles so our sentence doesn't sound like a caveman talking. Step 1, check the nouns. We need to find and check the nouns because articles describe nouns. Read the sentence backwards, word by word, to find and check the nouns. Tree. Tree is a living thing. Tree is a noun. Check it. From. Move on. Apple. Apple is a thing. Apple is a noun. Check it. Munched. Move on. Monkey. Monkey is a living thing. Monkey is a noun. Check it. Monkey, apple, tree are the nouns in our sentence. Step 2, grab your yellow crayon. We will draw a caret and a line in front of each noun. Monkey, draw a caret and a line. Apple, draw a caret and a line. Tree, draw a caret and a line. Step 3, grab your pencil. We will go back and write the articles N, a, or the before our nouns so we don't talk like cavemen in this sentence. Monkey. First, I need to decide if this is any monkey or a specific monkey. This is not any monkey. This is a specific monkey in this picture. When there's a specific noun, then we use the article the. The monkey. Write the on the line. The monkey. Excellent job. Next, go to the noun apple. Is this a specific apple or can it be any apple? There's apples on the tree in the picture, and they are all the same. This isn't a special or different or specific apple. It's any apple. So we will choose N or A. Apple begins with the sound A. A is a vowel sound, so we use the article N. Write an on the line. An apple. Excellent job. Finally, go to the last noun in this sentence. Tree. There is only one tree that has apples in this picture. The monkey can only get apples from that tree, not the others. So we will use the word the because we're talking about a specific tree. Write the on the line. The tree. Super work! Fabulous job! Now we will go back and read our sentence. The monkey munched an apple from the tree. The monkey munched an apple from the tree. Excellent! Congratulations! In this lesson, you learned about articles. Articles are the words an, a, the. Articles are special types of adjectives because they describe nouns, but only with the words an, a, the. We also learned articles have special jobs. The is used to describe specific nouns, specific living things, places, or things. A and an are used for any noun, any living thing, place, or thing. Finally, we learned that nouns that begin with vowel sounds use the word n like an apple. Nouns that don't begin with vowel sounds use a like a tree. Super job! This was fun. Congratulations! You have finished Lesson 15. And after you finish your homework page, then you are ready to move on to Lesson 16, where you will learn that a subject and a predicate make a complete sentence.